There's one boy named Atul. He is a football player. For arriving late in his training classes, he had to run around his ground 4 times. Now he's confused that how much did he run? And we have to help him solve his brain-racking question. Before that, let's have a look how we are going to help him solve this brain-racking question. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about perimeter. So without any further ado, let's get started. Perimeter. The word perimeter is derived from two Greek words, peri meaning around and metron meaning measure. Thus, the word perimeter is the distance around a plane figure or length of the boundary of a plane figure. Now we are going to have a look at some formulas to help us calculate perimeter. So the first formula we are going to be having a look at is perimeter of a square. So for example, I'm going to just draw a rough square. Okay, it doesn't have all sides equal. Just okay. Now if one side has a measure of 4, then all the sides will have the measure of 4. I'll just write centimeter. So suppose that they have a measure of 4 centimeter all the sides, then the perimeter would be 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, and this is equal to 4 into 4. Right? Okay, now for example, if the side was 6, so we would have done 6 into 4, or if it was 10, then 10 into 4. We can say that the perimeter of square is basically the side into 4, right? So this is the formula for perimeter of square. Now if you have a good memory, then you can learn the formula, or if you have a good logical skills, then you can derive the formula. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So let me draw a rectangle over here, really very rough. Okay, now for example, if this is 2 and if this is 6, then this will be 6 and this will be 2, right? Now it's going to be 2 plus 2, so it's going to be the breadth. This is the breadth. Okay, in this case, let's say that 2 is the breadth, so it's going to be b plus l, uh, b plus l plus b plus l, right? So L plus L is coming to L, and it will be b plus b will be 2 into breadth. Okay, so it will be 2 into 4, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 6 is 12. So it will be like this. And now we can even write it in this way, which is 2 into, I'll just clear the board. We can write it in this way, which is 2 into L plus B. So this is the formula for calculating the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so again, if you have a good memory skill, then you can learn this formula, and if you have a good logical skills, then you can derive this formula. You can do it in any way. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at some examples. So first, a square which has side 14 centimeter. So a formula for calculating a square is s into 4. Okay, so in this case s is 14. Now 14 into 4, this is equal to, I'll just calculate it, 14 into 4. If you know the 14 table, that's good. For those of you who don't know, I'm doing it over here. So 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 56. Okay, so this is equal to, I'll write it in blue, this is equal to 56 and centimeter. Okay, not laddus. Don't write it in exam, or if you're doing some problems, don't write just 56 and leave it. Make sure you write the unit. So in this case it is centimeter. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Now this is again a square with side of 8.9 centimeter. So here again we have centimeter, so it's going to be 8.9 into 4, because remember our 4, just this 4 doesn't look like 4. Yeah, 8.9 into 4. So again our formula is s into 4, so that's what I'm doing. 8.9 into 4. So 9 into 4 is 6, 3 carry, and 4 into 8 is 32. 32 plus 3 is 35 and a point. So our answer is equal to 35.6 centimeter. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, moving on to the next problem. Now here we have a rectangle with length 8 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter. So our formula for calculating the rectangle, which is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so here it will be 2 into L is 8 plus 5, which is the breadth. Okay, now 8 plus 5, we are first going to do this. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so it's going to be 2 into 13. So we can just remove the bracket, so it's just 2, which is 2 into 13, and 2 into 13 is equal to 26. And this is not, we are not done yet, are we? No, we are not, because we have to write the unit. So it is 26 centimeter. Okay, so our answer is equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, now moving on to the next problem. So here we have length 6.46 millimeters. So here we have the unit millimeters, and breadth is 36 millimeters. Okay, so again we are going to use our formula, which is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so it's in this case it's going to be 2 into 6.46 plus 36. Okay, so 6.46 plus 36, we are going to do that over here. 6.46 plus 36.00. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 4 is 4. I'm going to just correct that 6. Yeah, that's much better. 6 plus 6 is, let's keep this point first. So 6 plus 6 is 2, 1 carry, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So our answer is 42.46. Okay, so we got our addition answer. So our addition answer is equal to 42.46. Now we have to multiply this by 2. So this is equal to, and so I'm doing it over here itself. So 2 into 6 is 2. 1 carry 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, so this is our answer. So this is our answer for this question. So now we are going to be solving Atul's problem. So Atul's football ground is rectangular, and we have learned the formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So as you can see, the length is 110 meters and the breadth is 60 meters. Okay, so it will be 2 into the length, which is 110, plus the breadth, which is 60. Okay, now 110 plus 60 is equal to 170. Okay, and now we have to multiply 2. Okay, so now we can just ignore the 0, and 2 into 7, 2 into 17. Now 2 into 17 is equal to 34, and 0, so the perimeter is 240 meters. Okay, so now we have helped Atul solve his brain-racking question. Okay, so now I have a challenge for you. Now this is the floor plan of Bholi's house. Okay, now the challenge is to find the perimeter of her house, the perimeter of this house. Okay, so this is your challenge. Okay, so I want you to comment down your answers and I will check them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. So again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!